My calendar runs my business. Here's why that's a good thing. I don't find that I drift or float around during the day. I have a very, very simple set of tasks, appointments, of meetings, of things that I need to get done during a day. And if I treat those all as non-negotiables, I get everything I want done, and I don't leave with that anxiety of I should have done more today, I had more energy to do more, I didn't know what to do, but I should have gotten more accomplished. I don't have that feeling because I live by my calendar. And if my calendar says to do it, it's on there for a reason. At some point in time, I found it valuable enough to put it on there, and so I will not disrespect the calendar and not do it. I will do it every single time, no matter what. And what I've learned as a result of that, less things end up on my calendar that I know I'm never going to do and never find value in. I used to put a lot of things on my calendar, really if I just didn't want to do it right now. And then I'd move it, and then I'd move it, and then I'd move it, or I would just never do it. And so I don't even bother putting it on there if it's not important enough for me that I will stick to it and adhere to the calendar. I just won't do it.